Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw ZAR from Binance. All right. So first up, we would need to convert our coins to ZAR. Okay. And then once done, we can go ahead and withdraw our ZAR. So first up, converting it. So go ahead and go to the top left, click on buy crypto right here. Okay. Instead of buying, go ahead and click on sell. Once that's done, go ahead and select the crypto that you would like to convert as ZAR. For example, I have here USDT. I'm just going to max it out just for this example. And then in the conversion option, just go to drop down and just find ZAR, okay? Or South African Rand. Now, it says here, the receiving method will be under your ZAR balance. Okay, so what you got to do is just click on sell USDT right here or sell Solana. Okay, and once that's done, you would need to go back to buy crypto right here. Okay, now go ahead and click on withdraw. Select the currency right here, of course, ZAR. So depending on your region, especially if you're from South Africa, you'll be able to see ZAR right here. As you can see, I don't have it. I have from the Philippines. So just locate ZAR, select the payment method right here. And then after that, just hit on continue. In the next page, you'll be asked to fill in your bank account details. Okay. And just hit on confirm. And you'll have of course, the transaction fee. So just hit on continue, follow simple prompts. And once done, you're good to go. Okay. That's basically it. That's how you withdraw ZAR from Binance. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.